What if the basic search terms and limiters are not getting you the results you need? First, let's take a quick look at Eric's advanced search tips. By clicking into this link, you can see that Eric offers some suggestions on how to create more specific searches. Things like using quotations, using the field syntax, adding a filter, or even using things like Boolean operators and plus or minus signs can make a big difference. Let's use some of these methods and see what we come up with. First, we'll use a basic search term of information literacy in kindergarten. Similar to our first search, this retrieves almost 16,000 results. Way too many. Let's try some of the tips suggested. I'll change my search to kindergarten in quotation marks and information literacy. This search ensures my results are specific to kindergarten, but still pull results with terms or descriptors similar to information literacy. This retrieval brings back 3,800 results. Much better. Now, let's try it again, adding quotations in front of and at the end of information literacy. This narrows it down to 45 results. We can add one more filter to this to see if it changes anything. I'm adding in title and the word classroom to try and pull results that feature classroom in the title, since we are looking for articles that discuss how information literacy can be used or taught in kindergarten classrooms. While this search returns the same number of results, you can see it has changed the relevance and ranking of each of the articles. We're now presented with articles that have classroom in the title and are more likely to be exactly what we're looking for. Once again, when you click into the articles that you're looking at, you'll be presented with a page that shows the title, the authors, where it was published, a brief synopsis, and the descriptors used